Cancer is a multifactorial disease in which certain cells in our body start to multiply out of control. These abnormal cells can spread to other parts of the human body, creating further damage and eventually death. In 2016, it is estimated that around 130,000 new cases of cancer will be diagnosed in Australia. It is also estimated that the number of deaths due to cancer will be around 47,000 in Australia this year. Recent scientific evidences suggest that a protein called STAT3 is implicated in more than 50% of all human cancers, including head, breast, myeloproliferative neoplasm, gastric cancers, as well as glioma. Let me draw your attention to the famous American television series, The Incredible Hulk. Bill Bixby, starred as Dr. David Banner, is a physician and appears to be a normal person. But during times of extreme anger or stress, he gets transformed into an incredibly huge, strong, green humanoid called the Hulk, who creates so much of devastation. The protein which I mentioned to you a while ago, STAT3, acts in a very similar manner to this film character. Why I say so is because this protein in its normal form maintains metabolism in our cells and helps sustain life. But when this protein undergoes a chemical change known as a phosphorylation, which is a type of post-translational modification, it gets converted to an aggressive protein which drives cancer progression. Although the Hulk can get converted back to Banner maybe a few hours later, the conversion of STAT3 from its aggressive form back to its normal form is deemed unlikely during many cancers. So this phenomenon raises the basic aims for my PhD project, where I intend to study the different types of post-translational modifications occurring on STAT3, the vital proteins in our body which interact with STAT3 during cancer progression, and also what their consequences would be. For this purpose, I would be using cutting-edge research techniques like FPLC, protein mass spectrometry, cryo-electron microscopy, along with conventional techniques in molecular biology. I strongly believe my findings will pave insight into designing new drugs targeting these post-translational modifications which can revert STAT3 from its aggressive form back to its normal form and creating a blockade for cancer progression, saving thousands of lives suffering due to cancer in the future. Thank you.